Good morning, traders. FreeTradingVideos.com. You're here with Breakout Trader and the morning report. We've got the S&P E-minis down at 1150 this morning. About 7 o'clock this morning Eastern time, we were flat on the day. We're now down 12 points. We got the Dow down 119, NASDAQ down 1675. Look at this, oil still dropping 45.80. Wow. Down nearly another $1 there. And good old gasoline, it's getting cheaper and cheaper. For those of you guys out there with big boats, get out there, fill those suckers up while it's cheap, so we can go fishing. So that's where we are, sitting on the futures right now, down on the day. So it looks like we're going to have a lower open. Let's see where we go from there. Looks like D7's got his wish there, taking his short at the close of market yesterday, and make a little bit of money there. All right, here's our 60-minute chart on the S&P futures. This is a 24-hour chart, so it shows the overnight trading as well as we can see this is the trend line that we referred to yesterday, coming right off the swing lows right through here. We can see yesterday morning we did pierce that. We did that before market open, so before 9:30 Eastern. I did take a little short there, and I did lose some money there, but I did also pick this run up here. It was a crazy day in the market yesterday. Big pop here, and we come right back down, just fall apart, and then we pop straight back up. Crazy stuff in the market yesterday. You see the overnight trading here. We traded a little lower. We popped here. Now what this is the Bank of England and the European central banks cutting their interest rates, and we'll get to that in just a minute. Now we can see as we come into the open of the market here, we are dropping. Now we come off the lows, and we're coming back up. We're not down to this trend line yet. At this point, it's going to be interesting to see whether we hold this trend line or not. I think we will. I really do think we will at this point hold this trend line. At this stage in the game, I'm becoming more and more bullish in this market. We need confirmation of that. If you see D7's video from last night, perfect, excellent video. You've got to get into Free Trading Videos and check that video out. It is a perfect video. So that's where we are on the S&P futures. Let's get into the economic news. Okay, here we are at NASDAQ.com, and Thursday we had chain store sales. Walmart came out and they met expectations on the upper end expectations. They had a 3.4% increase. You had AT&T come out this morning and say they're going to cut 12,000 jobs. So expect the jobs number, the employment situation, is jobs numbers to non-farm payrolls. That's going to be a nasty number. It's going to be a horrible number. So we'll be, if you're going to hold overnight tonight, hedge your trade, hedge it, because this report coming out tomorrow should be extremely volatile at 8:30. That's something we must watch at 8:30 tomorrow morning. I think unemployment is going to go rocket tomorrow. Let's have a look at the consensus on this real quick. They are looking for 220 to 350,000. 300,000 is the consensus in job loss. Okay, looking for the unemployment rate to go from 6.5 to 6.7. I wouldn't be surprised to see that at the upper end of 6.9 to 7%. Unemployment is already somewhere around the 10 to 11%. You cannot believe these government numbers. The way this is generated is ridiculous. It is off a computer-generated program. That program is factoring in, as of 2 months ago, about 170,000 new jobs in real estate. We know that's not happening, so we know this number here, we are much higher than the current 6.5, and we're going to go much higher, I believe, than 6.7 tomorrow. So it's going to be interesting to see what that report gives us. If we go beyond the 6.9%, the upper range here, we'll see the market sell off on that. That's going to be that's terrible news. With all the job cuts coming through, like I said, AT&T negative 12,000. Next month is going to be horrible. Okay, what else we got? Here's the Bank of England announcement. Here's the European Central Bank announcement. These are the ones I want to show you real quick. We can see what their consensus was, a 100 basis point drop. Okay, and they got that 100 basis point drop. So for the Bank of England, they're down to 2%. They're catching up to us finally. The other one that's interesting is the ECB, European Central Bank. They were looking for a 50 basis point cut. They got 75. They're down to 2.5%. So what this does to the US dollar, okay, here's the chart on the US dollar futures. This is Thinkorswim. You can see the big pop here in the US dollar right there. Okay, that was based on the European and the Bank of England rate cuts. We have drifted down here, but that was the big pop there based on that news. When they cut their interest rates, that'll devalue the euro and the British pound. So that's why the US dollar's popped there. Today, jobless claims, that's a weekly report. The jobless claims here come into the fact of the employment situation up here. This is the weekly report. This is the monthly report. This is the big one. These are the minor ones. Now, 11:15, we've got Ben Bernanke speaking. Okay, see if he can sell off the market again like he did on Monday. Factory orders 10 o'clock. That will move the market. Now, yesterday we had the ISM manufacturing index come out at 10 o'clock. It is the lowest on record right now, so that is a history-making event right there. That is a terrible thing. And that is basically it for the day. So for the day traders, 11:15. Okay, be careful. And just remember, traders, if you're going to hold overnight, hedge that position because the employment situation is coming out at 8:30, and it's going to be volatile. Thanks for attending freetradingvideos.com. Till next time, this is Breakout. Talk to you in the morning.